Hello everyone and welcome back. We're here today to show you the iTECH 3156 drum sander. Now this little beast of a machine has quite the capacity. You can do 550mm in the width with the side support arm off, which can be removed to allow you to do extra wide pieces. You've got 83mm in the height, so you can put an 83mm piece of stock through. You've got interchangeable heads. It comes with the sanding drum as standard, but you can also have a denibbing head and a structuring head, which you can see down there. You've got variable feed speeds for the conveyor belt and the sanding drum. You've got a mechanical readout for the rise and fall and a whole lot more, but we're going to show you how she works today. Now we're going to show you the drum and the rise and fall mechanism on this. So if you open up this hood here, you can see the drum there. You've got this belt which runs all the way along. This can be replaced with any grit that you want, and it's very simple. You've just simply got a lever on either end to catch it in place and release it, and there's one on this end as well, so it's very easy to change the sandpaper for whatever grit you want. Down on the side here you've got the support arm for that side of the head, and then up here you've got the hand wheel with the mechanical readout to show you what size piece you're putting through, and this just moves up and down quite simply with the turn of the hand wheel. Once you've reached your desired location, you can simply just close the head back up, tighten the support arm, and you're ready to put some wood through. At the back of the machine on the table, you can see you've got a spring on either side, which is tightened off with these two bolts. You can simply undo them, adjust the tracking and the tension on the conveyor belt so that it's running correctly. So on the front of the machine you can see you've got a switch to turn the conveyor belt on. You've also got a dial for the speed, and then up on here on the inverter you've got the on and off button for the sanding drum, but you've also got a dial here to adjust the speed of the sanding drum. So now we're going to pop a bit of wood through so you can see how this all finishes up. So that's the finish of the drum sanding head. Obviously this was with 80 grit. Ideally you'd put on whatever grit it is you're going to finish up with or work your way through them. We're now just going to change over the head for the denibbing head so you can see that as well. It's usually used for sanding profiles. So first thing we need to do is open up the hood, and then you can see on the front we've got two bolts here on this side of the head which will need to be undone. There is also two at the back here which you can access by removing this plate. So we're going to get that done and change them over. So we've changed over into the denibbing head. You can use this for sanding profiles and for fine finishing your flat boards. We're going to run this up now and put the same piece of wood through it. And there you have it, that's the iTECH. If you want to come in for a demonstration, feel free to give us a call, send us an email or pop in.